So I got my start in the AABC. My father-in-law had come to me and asked me, I married his daughter, had some rough goes with a couple of jobs, and said, hey, you should come do test and air balance. And I'm like, what is test and air balance? It was very extremely difficult for him to even explain. Anybody that knows, ever tried to explain test and air balance, is extremely hard. And it's one of those things you just kind of have to dive into. After a few bad experiences with bosses, I took the plunge and got involved. And started with RSA back in 2012. Mike Renovich, past president of the AABC, just became a mentor to me. He was the owner of the company. And so he instilled in me just the importance of independence that AABC promotes. And watching him go through his presidency and being past president and being on the board, just seeing the impact AABC has in the industry, and maintaining that level of expertise and independence, and how important that is. So that's how I got my start, and that's why the AABC is so important.